We're all crying because we need some rain.
And we didn't get much, did we?
No.
And it's over with. If you're outside right now, you can feel the wind coming in, the drier air, the cooler air. The front's here, so that means the rain is pretty much over, at least for the Austin area, after 1/100th of an inch at Camp Mabry today. Did pick up 1/10 of an inch out at ABIA. But you know what? It may not rain now for the rest of the month, which goes until April 1, Friday. So this may go into the books as the 4th driest on record, Camp Mabry, since 1856. 3rd driest on record out at the airport, if we don't get any more. And I don't think we're going to see much tonight. The only thing we're seeing on the radar right now is some very, very patchy light rain down from Luling to Bastrop up to the Giddings area and down into Gonzales County. This is all just ground clutter here around the radar. So, again, it's pretty much done and over with. The severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect for the area until 11 o'clock tonight was canceled early by the Storm Prediction Center, as that front just really didn't generate thunderstorms, much less severe weather tonight. Now they're thinking a few of the storms could intensify down toward Houston, where a new watch has been issued until 4 a.m., but so far not much happening down there either, and that is out of our viewing area, so we won't worry about that. 56 degrees is our current temperature out there. It's actually the coolest temperature the whole day today. The cold front has moved through now. The wind's a little breezy out of the north, and by morning you'll notice the difference. By the time you wake up, we're still overcast and about 48 degrees in the city, a little cooler in the hill country. By noon, up to 59 and a high tomorrow. That'll feel pretty good, actually, 68 degrees. Upper 40s and low 50s already out in the hill country, 49 in Mason, mid 50s in the metro area, and the fronts just now passed through Fayette County, so it's still a little warmer down there, 59 in LaGrange, 62 degrees in Lockhart. In the city, it's 56. Our skies are overcast, also 56 degrees with a cloudy sky out at ABIA. Winds a little breezy now that the fronts come in, north at 12 to 17 miles per hour. Pollen count was better today. Mold was worse. It was high, but the oak count, while still in the high category, did fall significantly over the level here over the last week or so. Sycamore and willow, and there was a little bit of mulberry in the slide too, a low count. Now tomorrow, mold probably still high with all this moisture around. Hopefully the oak will come on down and the other tree pollens remain in that medium category. Around the state, you can see where the cooler areas. Here are your 30s, here are your 40s, 42 in Abilene. Here's your warm air, 60s and 70s along the coast. So this time of year, when you get that clash of air masses, warm, moist air bumping into the cool, dry air, that's where we typically see thunderstorms erupt. We just didn't have the proper dynamics today to really get any strong storms producing some heavy downpours of rain for us, and kind of glad we didn't have any severe weather out of it, but we sure could have used some heavy downpours. And there you see them tonight. The front now down southeast of our area. It'll continue to head on down toward the coast. Our computer model depicted it pretty well, forecasting at 11 p.m. that the rain showers would be closer to the coast really than to the Austin area. And as we go through the night, we'll continue to see it move away. A little disturbance moving across the state tomorrow. We'll keep some clouds in our sky, and so it'll be let's call it a nice day in the upper 60s. And then on Thursday, the sun will be back out and we'll begin a warming trend that will be a pretty significant one, in fact, through the weekend. We may see some upper 80s around here by Sunday. In the morning when you wake up, there are your 40s in the hill country, mid-40s, mid to upper 40s in the metro to low 50s off in parts of our eastern counties. Tomorrow afternoon's highs should get into the middle to upper 60s. Tonight in Austin, I think we're done with the rain other than maybe a sprinkle. 49 degrees the low in the city in the morning, and then 68 tomorrow with a mostly cloudy sky. A little bit of intermittent sunshine probably in the afternoon hours. And another cool morning Thursday morning, but then we begin the warming trend. 78 degrees Thursday afternoon. Friday, 85 degrees, and here we go again. We start the first weekend of April with readings 10 degrees or more above average. 87 on Saturday, 88 on Sunday. Our next front will come in next Monday night, early Tuesday, with another chance of showers. Sean will be tracking these cooler temperatures for you in the morning, minute by minute, on Austin News Today, starting at 5 a.m.